What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and I'm just gonna get straight to the video. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna say thank you to all of you for joining the Discord server and stuff. We are at 340 members, pretty much. I thank you a lot for that, of course. Like I've said in my other videos, I thank you a lot for that. So yeah, and also all the support on the videos. And I did a thank you video for everyone, and the massive support on this video right here. Almost 400 views from you guys. So I thank you so much for that. And yeah, anyways, let's get straight into the video. I'm going to be teaching you how to add Steam long arms and regular Quest long arms. Steam long arms are the long arms that they don't feel like they're at your hands. If you get a sense, like your hands are like halfway up the arm, but your arms are longer than your arms are actually longer. I don't know. And then Quest long arms, they are long arms. They give you long arms, but they actually are at your hands. So yeah. I'm just gonna teach you how to add them both. So yeah. So let's get straight into it. If you haven't already, join the Discord server. It'll be link in the description, and also go and join. Where is it? Turbo, Nova, and Shadow's Discord server. I'm a tutorial maker for them. This is where all of my videos are in here as well, like so. And then there is some scripts in here. You can get the Steam long arms from here as well. But every script and package I use and every script and package I use all come from my Discord server. So you just want to go to scripts, since we're obviously using script. Right up here, you're gonna see long arms. And then you're gonna download either one of these. You can download the Quest. These are the Quest long arms. These are Steam long arms. I recommend the Quest long arms. They just are better. But you can add either one. It's your choice, to be honest. Okay. So now, once you download whatever one you want, you just want to import new asset. We'll download and then you import it. I already have it imported, so I'm not gonna import it. Anyways, once you have it imported, you're just gonna make a button somewhere, wherever. I'm just gonna take one of these, like in the last video, and then copy and paste it, bring it up, click the gizmos to change the text, name it. We're gonna name it Steam Long Arms, and then we're gonna copy and paste it again, put it up here. Gonna name this Quest Long Arms, or just Long Arms if you want. So then, once you've done that, you're gonna select both of them. Remove the wardrobe function button. Just right click the name, remove component. Then, if you don't already, get Banana OS menu button 1 script. And then here, you're gonna go here, original material, unpressed material. Like in the last video, you can just grab it right from the button right here. And then toggled material is pressed. And pressed material is obviously pressed. And then button renderer, you're gonna select the button, only select one of them in the hierarchy, and then drag it onto button render. Select the other one, drag that onto the button renderer. And then once you're done with that, you're just gonna undrop everything. You're gonna create 2 empties. Name them Steam long arms, Quest long arms, or just long arms if you want. Like so, and then you're gonna search up really long arms, like so, for the Quest ones. Object target, you're gonna click the little circle right here, search up a gorilla player. It's gonna be gorilla player. Make sure it's not gorilla players, and it's gorilla player without the S. And then for Steam long arms, you're gonna search up Steam long arms, like so. Target object is the exact same, Gorilla Player, like so. Then what you can do is right click the name, edit the script. It's just like in the last video I showed you. Since we did add long arms to the mod menu. Also, I will be I forgot about this. I will post the menu in the Discord server for all of you guys. And then in okay, now back to the video. Okay, in once you're in the script, you can change this to 1.1 if you're taller. If you're like taller person, like 5, let's say 5'8" or taller, you probably have longer arms than most people, so you're gonna change that to like 1.2 if you want pretty long arms. 1.1 is like ideal for taller people, but I just like it at 1.2 just for some shorter people. And then once you're done you doing that, you're gonna go over to the quest long arms and you're gonna edit this script, but I already have that one open up in here too. And then you're just gonna change this scale to whatever you want. I'm actually gonna go over here and change this to 1.1, like so. That's all you have to do for both the scripts. And now what you can do is close it and save it, and then go back to your project. It's gonna load for you. Well, it should load. Okay, now once it's done loading, you can just close that if you didn't already. Okay, and now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go click on the quest long arms button, scroll down until you see game object, and then you wanna drag your whatever mod you're using. Empty over here, just click that create empty, put your script in it, like so. And then whatever one you're using, you can drag it on to game object. That's gonna be your mod. Then click on the other one if you have another one, and then drag the other script onto it, like so. And then boom, we are done. That's how you add long arms to your Gtag Gorilla Tag copy. Yeah, we're just gonna test it out real quick. It should it should work without being in VR. If it doesn't, you have to test it in VR then. But it should work in this. As you can as you can see, the arms are like that, and then as soon as you turn it on, it goes big and long like that. Pause. And the other one as well. The arms go longer. Like so. So yeah, there. As you can see, it's working. And that is how you add long arms and Steam long arms to your Gtech copy. I hope you guys had a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down tutorial suggestions or just support on the video, whatever you want. Make sure to join the Discord server. It's gonna be in the link, and it's gonna be my Discord server is gonna be the first link in the description, and then Turbo, Nova's, and Shadow's Discord will be the second link in the description. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. The mod menu will be in the Discord server, so you can get that, and it will come with scripts and yeah, and the materials I use for it too. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and yeah, all right, bye.